Hey guys, so today I'm here with the Weathertech DigitalFit Cargo Liner with the bumper protector, fitting all 2018 and newer 4-door JL Wranglers. So this is going to be for the JL owner who's looking to keep the carpets in their cargo area protected from any wet messes like mud, snow, or any spills. And this is also going to be for the JL owner looking for that additional protection to their bumper for when they're loading any cargo in and you don't want to scuff and scratch up your rear bumper. Now, the cargo liner itself is made of a heavy-duty TPE material, so this is going to stand up to whatever you throw at it, but it's also going to remain flexible, so if you do need to take it out and clean it, it's very easy to do so. You're also getting this bumper protector. It's going to be made of a heavy-duty vinyl material. It is going to be pretty thick to protect your bumper from any damage when you're loading in any cargo or your pet is jumping in the back. It is going to have a smooth surface, so you can very easily wipe it down. And what I do like most about it is that it remains very flexible and you can roll it up for when you're not using it, Velcro it down so it's ready for whenever you do need to use it. It is attached to the back with 4 heavy-duty buttons, and you can take it off whenever you like if it is going to get in the way of what you're loading up in the back. Now, the actual mat itself is going to have higher edges and grooves in the middle to contain any of those spills. And what I do really like about this cargo liner itself is the fact there are cutouts on either side for your cargo tie down. So in the back of the JL, you do have 6 hooks that you are able to tie down your cargo with. So what I do like is that WeatherTech does give you a stencil there or a cutout there so you can very easily utilize your tie down points in conjunction with this cargo liner. Now, this is going to be a more expensive option on the page at roughly $170. However, that is expected from WeatherTech because they do make high quality products, and you also are getting an add-on to a fairly simple cargo liner. So a lot of other less expensive options are usually just going to be a little bit more simplistic. They may be universal. You may have to trim them to fit the back of your cargo area, and they may be a little bit more rubbery than this more rigid TPE material. I personally think that this fits very nicely in the back. It does have that digital fit design as it says in the name, and you can really tell that there's a lot of thought put behind something as simple as a cargo liner, especially with this bumper guard here. So if you are looking for a premium product to protect all aspects of your cargo area, then this is going to be a really good one to take a look at. So install is going to be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, guys. As you can tell, it is a cargo liner. All you have to do is place it in and kind of let it even out. It may have a little bit of a roll on the edges, but it will flatten out over time. So really the only thing you would have to do if you are looking to cutouts for your tie downs, you will need an X-Acto knife. However, we're not going to do that, so let's jump into the install. So our first step is just going to be to place our cargo mat in. You want to make sure that all the edges are sitting correctly and everything's laying flat. Then we can grab our protector mat, making sure that the label is facing down, and we can button that into the back of our cargo liner. They're going to be very easy to snap in. Now, if you want to use your protector mat, you just have to let it roll out like that. And once you're ready to put it away, all you have to do is tightly roll it up. You are going to have a long strip of Velcro on the back as well as a strip on the front. So it is going to stay secure. And once that's in place, you're all set to go. That's going to wrap it up for my quick review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe. And for more videos like this, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.